It's true. Hello, I'm Bonto and welcome back to my channel. I make videos about Sesotho. If you're interested in learning Sesotho and the person you should be following, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with your friends. Today's video is about vegetable names in Sesotho. Let's get right into it. Potato, tapole, tapole. Potatoes, ditapole, 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 ditapole. Carrot, sehwete, sehwete. Carrots, dihwete, dihwete. Pumpkin, mokopu, mokopu. Pumpkins, mekopu, mekopu. For example, mekopu emibedi, 2 pumpkins. Mekopu emingata, many pumpkins. Onion, eye, eye. Some people call it hanyanisi, hanyanisi. Spinach, spinach, spinach. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. There is also another type of a leafy vegetable called moroho. That's also what it's called in English. There's no English name for it. It's a wild leafy green that is I find that it's very bitter, and some people like it, but I personally don't like it. And it's usually found in and around places where there's a lot of water. It just grows out in the wild. It's called a moroho. Vegetables are called meroho in Sesotho. Garlic, galiki, galiki. Turnip, rapa. Corn, poni, poni. Corn is also used to make a mealie meal, a maize meal that we call papa. We also make papa, tomato, tamati, tamati, tomatoes, di tamati. So when it comes to peppers, we just pepper. It's the same name. If it's green, it's a green pepper. If it's red, it's a red pepper. And if it's yellow, it's a yellow pepper. Chili, chilies, chilies. Sweet potato, botata, botata. That's a sweet potato. Or a yam. That's also called a botata. The end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, salang hantle.